Hello everyone, welcome to Regular Achievers Educational Limited, presenting Royal Tutors, your trusted support for brain-friendly impact learning. Today, we will be covering an overview of how to answer Language Paper 1. Okay, now guys, we'll see the structure of this paper. Now for this paper, you're expected to spend 1 hour 45 minutes to answer the whole of the paper. You have one extract to read, and then you have 15 minutes to read this extract. Then, importantly, you must focus and manage time carefully. Now for time management, you have, for question 1, you have 4 questions, okay, and then 4 marks for the 4 questions, that is 1 mark for each question. Then you're expected to spend 4 to 5 minutes maximum. Then for question number 2, which is the language question, you are to write 2 paragraphs, 2 well-written paragraphs. And then for these 2 paragraphs, you have 8 marks, and you're expected to spend 8 to 10 minutes for question number 2. Question number 3 is the structure question. Just like question number 2, you have 2 paragraphs to write. Like I said, 2 well-written paragraphs, 4 marks for each paragraph, and then you are expected to spend 8 to 10 minutes for this question. Moving on, we have question number 4, which is the student or critic question or statement. Now, for this question, it is a 20 marker, and you're required to spend 20 minutes. And you are to write 3 to 4 paragraphs. Like I said, well-written paragraph. Now, the next question is question number 5, guys, which is the section B. Now, this was 50% of the whole paper 1 exam. Now, you are expected to spend 45 minutes, guys, 45 minutes for this section, and it's a total of 40 marks. Now, this is broken down to 24 marks for content and organization, and 16 marks for technical accuracy, which is spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Now, for the length of how much you should write, please, I would advise that you write 2 to 3 sides of your writing paper. And not just writing, but writing interestingly and well structured. You need to show clear purpose, engaging tune, and accurate use of language. All right, I will not, it's not overemphasized, okay, that you should be very conscious with your timing. All right, now don't stay on one question, guys. Don't get stuck to one question. Move. When you see that the time you're supposed to use in answering question number 1, it's as elapsed, please move to question number 2. All right, you can always come back when you have the time. Now, other questions carry more marks, like question number 4 and 5. Engage yourself very well in answering those questions. Now, attend to all questions to also maximize your mark. All right, so we're going to be breaking down paper 1. We have the reading section, which is 4 questions. We have the writing section, which have 2 questions for you to choose 1, which makes paper 1 the total of 8 questions to answer. Did I say 8 questions to answer? 5 questions to answer. All right, so timing can never ever be overemphasized. Please be calm and focus. Attend to every question, and then you're good. Now let's begin. All right, so this is an extract, okay, and it is from a GCSE past question, and we're going to be focusing on answering question number 1. All right, let me tell you something about question number 1, guys. And question number 1 is restricted, and so also other questions like question number 2. But question number 1 is restricted to a particular line number. Most times line 1 to 5, most times line 1 to 6. Now, it is important to note that you are to stay on the instruction given to you. Don't try to write over the lines. Your ideas must be gotten from the restricted lines. And please write in full sentences. Don't answer in word, like 1 or 2 word, no. Write in full sentences. Maintain the use of your punctuations, and then you'll be good. All right, now let's read from here. I call this the hyena story. Okay, it is gotten from the middle of a novel, and then the narrator is a teenager. All right, let's read. It was the hyena that worries me. I had not forgotten father's words. Hyenas attack in packs. Whatever animals can be run down. They go from zebra, nuns, and water buffalo. And not only the old or the infirm in a herd, but full-grown members too. They are hardly attack. Or, I take that again, they are hardy attackers, raising up from bolting and kicking immediately, never giving